back, Mr. Fieri.
Thank you. Listen, if you had ever told me that I was going to be on the Food Network, I'd say you're crazy. And if you ever told me I was going to come back to Las Vegas and open my own restaurant on the Strip, well, I'd say you're out of your mind. So I guess that makes you crazy and out of your mind? Because I'm here at the Link Hotel and Casino to check out my joint. This is Guys Vegas Kitchen and Bar.
Picking up Shimiwan tacos.
It's unbelievable.
All right, bacon mac and cheeseburger.
It reminds me of Guy. A lot of energy going on here.
Kind of goes with the flow of Vegas. Super good vibe, fun.
So now it's time to meet the cat that came up with all the crazy ideas. Chef, come on in, please. So, Chef, tell me, what was the inspiration behind Guys Vegas? Going to college in Las Vegas, always coming down to the Strip, I always just thought about having a cool little funky joint that served just righteous food. You felt comfortable coming back multiple times. That's what we made here.
But with all my time on the road, you know I need a solid team to back me up. And I got that, led by Chef Tony Leitera.
#1 selling item on the menu is?
Mac and cheeseburger.
The #2 best-selling sandwich?
Motley Q.
Here we have the Motley Q sandwich.
Watching this pulled pork sandwich come out, my mouth was watering.
Take us down the road, Chef.
We got our Danish collar pork butt. We're gonna make the rub for it right now. This is our brown sugar, kosher salt, garlic, cayenne,
Paprika.
we got our chili, ground cloves, black pepper, a little bit of nutmeg.
When you name it after your barbecue team, Motley Q, it's got to have the Motley Q attitude. All right, so we're going to dry rub this.
Yep.
Now, when you walk into this restaurant, you're thinking, okay, where's the big smoker? Why don't I smell it? Because it's in the basement. So we're going to let this go for 12 hours, set 220.
Yep.
So the pork butt's done.
Yeah.
Okay, you look at all that bark, all that great smoke flavor, and it's super tender. Drop in a little bit of that pan dripping. Now, the other great thing is we have this pretzel roll made for us.
We're gonna cut this in half.
It's got to have a little garlic butter, just to add that extra bit of flavor, but you got to put a little crust on the outside of this. So you're going to toast that off?
Yep.
Next up?
So we got our toasted bun here. We're gonna start with our donkey sauce.
It's a combination of a little mustard, a little mayonnaise, a little Worcestershire, a little black pepper, a little garlic.
So next we're gonna melt the cheese.
Cheddar. Okay?
First things first, pickles. We got our citrus slaw, and then we got our pork.
Then we're gonna garnish up with a little bit of my barbecue sauce.
Bourbon brown sugar barbecue sauce, and a touch of the Carolina just to add a little bit of that vinegar flavor.
The two together, perfect. So we don't do just one kind of fries. This is how the fries get served up every time. Choose tray, crinkle cut, sidewinder, and everybody loves a waffle, right? Chef, go ahead and jump in on that. Great smoke, a little bit of the sweet, a little bit of the vinegar. The crunch of the slaw, a little bit of that acid coming through. Pickles, you gotta have the pickles. And then this nice pretzel bun with the little leathery skin on the outside. Very nice.
And your Motley Q sandwich.
Absolutely tender and delicious. You get the sweet and the salty with it. It's really good.
Guys, Bloody Mary for ya.
I love a good Bloody Mary, and this is everything that I can ask for.
Kick this off, man.
Started out right, jalapenos, Fresnos,
Now, don't worry, this isn't that super spicy hot. Well, until the garlic gets in there.
fresh garlic,
Okay.
tomato juice. And then we're gonna start to whisk it.
A little bit of barbecue sauce.
One of each of our barbecues.
Nice smoky flavor coming out of that. All right, I like where this is going.
Hot sauce, a little bit more hot sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire, Worcestershire,
Worcestershire.
a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt. Now, we're gonna let this set up for about an hour.
About an hour.
Fantastic. Vodka, my brother. There we go. Okay, this is the Bloody Mary. Now we've strained this.
We're gonna finish it off with some candied bacon, apple sausage, Italian imported pepperoni, fresh veggies, a little bit more jalapeno.
Straws? This is exactly what you need after a rough night in Vegas. That'll do the trick.
Guys, Bloody Mary.
I love spice, so it tastes really good.
Dessert tickets, s'mores, Monte Cristo.
Highly recommend it to anybody coming to Vegas.